Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Local manufacturers and exporters are calling the Bureau of Standards, Jamaica, to review outdated regulations. They argue that some of the regulatory codes are increasing their operational costs. Chairman and CEO of Continental Baking Company, Gary Butch Hendrickson, spoke on the issue this morning at a forum commemorating National Exporters Month.
Manufacturers and exporters complain that the Bureau of Standards is making it harder for them to do business. They say international players are given more slack while locals are sanctioned unnecessarily. Chairman and CEO of Continental Baking Company, Gary Butch Hendrickson, is now calling on the statutory body to end the double standard.
Give us a break as local manufacturers, because the final arbiter of what we sell is going to be the consumer anyway. And the American and the British and the Canadian Bureau of Standards are their version of it. It will take care of us if we're wrong, so we're not going to try and be wrong over there. But do we really have to start making 6 different labels for 6 different markets where it's not necessary?
He explained that the regulations relating to labeling are particularly problematic and outdated.
I mean, it's really hard for a small company to do a label for the United States market, to be told by the Bureau of Standards, no, you can't have pounds on it and ounces, you only can have grams, because we're now, we've gone to the metric system, and the largest market is not. You know, do we really have to do that? Could we have both? Because supposedly if you have both, you're not legal, you know that.
Mr. Hendrickson says local exporters lose millions when they are forced to discard items because of a labeling error. He says it's a result of the complex labeling regulations.
And you say, well, what's a big deal? It's not that it works. Yeah, well, you run a production line at 150 a minute, or in some of the factories even faster, and you have the wrong label on it. All of a sudden, after 5 minutes, you find out, oops. What are you going to do with that? Well, that was not, they didn't want anything. You have to take everything off, either relabel, throw it back out, or reject it. And that doesn't work.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $135.86. The Canadian dollar sold for $102.68. The sterling is going for $176.31, while the euro closed at $153.89. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in June went up by 29 cents to sell for $61.81 a barrel. The JC Index gained 890 points today, while the junior market index is up 13. Stocks posting gains include Iron Rock Insurance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Panjam Investments, Siboney Group, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. On the losing side were Barita Investments, Pulse Investments, Jamaica Broilers Group, Mayberry Investments, and SSL Venture Capital. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.